If Canva Pro is showing an error for you, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to designing without the frustration. These quick checks work for most Canva Pro issues, whether the page is glitching, your subscription is not loading properly, or the app is just not responding the way it should. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Refresh the page. Sometimes the problem is temporary, and a simple refresh can reload Canva correctly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R if you're on Windows, or refresh the page manually if you're on a Mac or using the app. Give it a second and see if the error disappears. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause Canva Pro features to fail or stop loading. Open your browser and search for speed test. Run a quick speed test and make sure your internet is working properly. If your connection is weak, try switching networks, restarting your router, or reconnecting to a stronger Wi-Fi signal before testing Canva again. Now let's check your subscription status, because sometimes the error is related to the Pro plan itself. Open your Canva account profile, then go to Billing and Plans. From there, verify that Canva Pro is actually active on your account. If the subscription has expired, failed to renew, or is signed into the wrong account, Canva may block Pro features or show error messages, so double check that you're logged into the correct email and that your plan is still active. If your subscription looks fine, the next step is to log out and log back in. This can help reset your session and fix account sync issues. Sign out of Canva completely, then sign back in using the same account that has Pro access. In many cases, this simple step is enough to refresh your permissions and remove the error. If that still doesn't work, clear your browser cache. Old stored files can sometimes conflict with Canva and cause loading problems or subscription errors. To do this, open your browser menu by clicking the three dots, then go to Settings. From there, open Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cache images and files, then click Clear. After that, close and reopen your browser. Go back to Canva and test it again. If you're still seeing the Canva Pro error after all of that, try using a different browser or restarting your device. These extra steps can help isolate whether the problem is with Canva, your browser, or your current session. But in most cases, one of the 5 fixes we covered today will solve it quickly. So to recap, the steps are: refresh the page, check your internet speed, verify your Canva Pro subscription, log out and log back in, and clear your browser cache. These are the best first fixes when Canva Pro stops working properly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit like and subscribe for more tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.